Ready to turn Instagram into your ultimate real estate lead generating machine. First, download Instagram and create a business profile, ensuring your username is easily searchable, ideally including your name or area of expertise. Next, select real estate as your business category. That way people know exactly what to expect from your page. Optimize your bio. Use a professional headshot. Write a concise and compelling bio highlighting your expertise, location, and unique selling proposition, and include a call to action with a link to your website or a relevant landing page. Now, let's talk content. Plan your posts around high-quality property photos, market updates, neighborhood spotlights, client testimonials, and engaging video tour, showing off your personality. Instagram Insights are your best friend. Use them to track your post performance, audience demographics, and identify what content resonates most with your followers, and use that data to tweak your content. Don't forget to interact with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly, ask questions to spark conversations, and participate in relevant local discussions. Hashtags are how people find you. Research and use relevant hashtags, mixing broad terms like hashtag real estate with location-specific ones like hashtag Austin Homes to expand your reach. By following these steps, you'll establish a solid foundation for success on Instagram, transforming it into a powerful tool for growing your real estate business. Don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips.